In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the new guest access feature in Microsoft Loop. Whether you're collaborating on projects for work, a school assignment, or managing personal tasks, this guide will help you easily extend your workspace to guests, making teamwork more seamless than ever. First, you'll want to head over to loop.microsoft.com. This is where everything begins. Microsoft Loop is part of the Microsoft 365 suite, so having your Microsoft account ready is key. After arriving at the website, sign in using your Microsoft 365 account. This could be a work, school, or personal account depending on where you manage your activities. It's important to use the account associated with the workspace you want to share to ensure a seamless experience. Once you're signed in, navigate your way to the Loop workspace that you wish to share. Think of workspaces as your collaborative hubs. They're equipped with all sorts of tools and resources tailored to keep your team organized and productive. After selecting the correct workspace, look towards the top right corner of the page. You'll spot the Share button there, a crucial tool in this process. This button is your gateway to expanding who has access to your carefully curated content. Clicking on Share will present you with a few choices. For our purpose today, you'll want to choose the Workspace option from the Sharing menu. This ensures that your guests receive access to everything within that specific Loop workspace, fostering better collaboration and communication. Next, it's time to specify who you want to invite. In the space provided, type in the email address of the guest you'd like to introduce to your workspace. Be careful to double check that you've entered the correct email to avoid any access issues. Once you've ensured everything is correct, click the Invite button. This action will send an email invitation directly to your guest, who can then follow the instructions to join your workspace. It's worth noting that Microsoft Loop's new guest access capability is crafted for ease and flexibility, enhancing your ability to collaborate seamlessly with others outside of your immediate network. Best practices include double-checking permissions and ensuring guests are briefed on workspace norms and expectations for a smoother collaboration experience. So remember, start by going to loop.microsoft.com, signing in, navigating to the workspace, clicking the Share button, choosing Workspace, entering your guest's email, and sending that invite. With these steps, you're well on your way to leveraging the full potential of guest access in Microsoft Loop. Thank you for watching. I hope you found this guide helpful in navigating the process. If you have any questions or need further clarification, be sure to reach out or leave a comment. Happy collaborating, and see you in the next video.